Так, зараз, секунду. Є.
Please.
So, today I present our work on the topic development and research as method of structure and optimization of neural networks for medical diagnostics, and greetings from the Zaporizhia and especially from the National University Zaporizhia Polytechnic. This work became a part of my PhD research and PhD thesis. As you all know, artificial neural network usually emulate the work of human brain. It consists input layer, output layer, and some number of hidden layers, which all consist some number of calculation nodes, which usually, in this case, called neurons. The main advantages and benefits of using artificial neural networks in the medicine are usually taught to the students. This is why artificial neural networks work with real and huge and difficult data, but about real object or about real person or system. Usually in medicine we talk about using artificial neural networks to solve the task of diagnostics, which has some of modification, usually task of classification. And as you know, today we have a big data about the patients. It can be images, something like X-rays or result of tomography. What is more, as you can remember, since 2019, during the COVID pandemic, it can be the huge number of patients too, not only the clinical results of these patients. So artificial neural networks can be a part of diagnostics systems. And as a result, it can give you a diagnosis. Medical doctor Gregory House, hello. But when artificial neural network work with difficult and big data, we usually talk about some methods of structure optimization, which can bring the new solution, which will be work more and more faster. There are some numbers of classical structure optimization methods, but as you can see, all of them have some disadvantages. So the main idea in this research was to use neural evolution methods to bring a new solution to the structure optimization. The evolution method is this approach which can change not only some parameters but the structure of the artificial neural network, and as you can see at the slide. In our work we use different number of mutations which can be consist these changes of artificial neural networks, and the choosing of these types of mutation bring from the some number of criteria which you can see on this slide. And this is the main idea of method of this structure optimization. For our experiments we use difficult recurrent neural network long short-term memory, and the structure of this network you can see on the slide. And during the experiments we see that not only time of optimization neural network became more faster, but the error became less. That is why usually when it became structured, optimization of the structured, some nodes and some connection between neurons which usually coding the noisy data through this artificial neural network, and it became more clear. So as a conclusion, I must say that in our method we took the basic ideas of neural evolution methods but became more and more completely to made optimization of the artificial neural network more and more efficiently for the medical tasks. In this, that is all. I thank you for attention.
Thank you, dear Сергій. Взагалі, дуже дякуємо учасникам, які презентували англійською мовою. Це дійсно дуже важливо, бо нас дивляться іноземці. Ви знаєте, що Рада молодих вчених є членом Євродок, і вони дійсно спостерігають за нашими